This is Richard Mates from Knight Security, and this is Safe at Home, some insights into home security. And a question I received from a gentleman in San Diego was, can my alarm system work when I have pets in the home and kids and changes of and lifestyle of that nature? And absolutely, one of the advantages of meeting with a security professional is we're going to sit down and ask those kind of questions and then design the alarm system so your pets can be in the house and the alarm on. We can set it up so the kids can come in at different hours with their own arming number and turn it off. Your housekeeper can come in with her own individual code, disarm the alarm, do her work, and be on her way. So your house can really function no matter what your lifestyle might be. So please don't let that be a hindrance. And if you do have questions on this topic or any other, try to reach me please online or phone me. And when all else fails, be safe at home. Thank you.